What's up guys? Today a little video. My wife came up with the idea, so rear stock rest DIY. She gave me one of her makeup bags. If you go to the Dollar Tree, you can pick them up for like $1.25. You see some of them on Amazon for $3.99. And you know, it beats paying all that ridiculous money. And all I did was take some of these Sara Lee bags and I doubled them and I filled it with sand. Had some sandbags laying around, and you just go ahead and fill whatever you want, like how much you want, with sand. And this one measures 9 inches, and then the width is 3, and then the height is 5. So cheap alternative, easy, and it's very versatile. You can lay it down, you can stand it up, you know, whatever way you want to use it. This is how I have mine set up. Take a look through the scope here. And there you go. See right on. And you can squeeze the bag. It'll elevate it. You can lay it down like I said. Sure beats paying, you know, the ridiculous amounts of money that they want for these things. It's a good bag too. Alright, so with that rest, you can clearly see how much more accurate you're going to get your groupings. This was 3 of them here, and I must have not squeezed the correct way on the bag, and that's all these things are squeeze bags. So I can clearly see I'm grouping here. I got to come back to the right a little bit, but elevation seems good. So these rests really do help.